good morning like this. Only wave your hand. Yes. Today is. I said don't unmute your device. I told you don't unmute your device. Only wave your hand. I will see. Yes. This is your first class after your summer vacation. आपके summer vacation के बाद ये आपका पहला class है. Yes. First thing what I told you, don't move your device here and there. Arush, keep your device in one place, beta. Don't move it this side and that side. And sit a little far from the device. Samarth, I can't see you at all. Yes. Hope all of you have done your homework. Yes or no? Show me your thumbs up or thumbs down if you did not do. If you did not do, you'll put your thumbs down. If you did, you'll put your thumb up. Yes, everybody have done your homework. Did you enjoy doing your homework? Did you enjoy or you did not enjoy your homework? Yes. Yes? Yes, very good. You all did it independently. आपने अकेले किया या मम्मी की हेल्प ली? अगर मम्मी की हेल्प ली तो ऐसे करो. हेल्प लिया मम्मी की हेल्प से करेंगे. Okay. म्यूट कर दे. Someone mute your device. Please don't unmute your device. If you unmute your device, you are disturbing the class, beta. Please don't unmute your device unless I tell you. Right? Yes. So this time you took your mummy's help. इस बार आपने मम्मी की help ली. और अगली बार से जब मैं worksheets दूंगी ना, you must read by yourself. Okay, you must read by yourself and learn to do reading comprehension. What you did exercises were reading comprehension. Yes, you have to read the para and you have to answer the questions. Yes, we finished the first lesson. Before our holidays, we have completed the first lesson, the happy child. Yes. We completed the first lesson, The Happy Child. How many of you learned the poem? How many of you learned the poem? Thumbs up. Did not learn the poem? Thumbs down.
ऐसे दिखा ना.
Yes. Those who did not learn will learn. Yes. Okay. Today we'll be doing page number 8. All of you open page number 8. Today's lesson is, parents, please mute your device, parents.
मैम लेसन कौन सा है?
I said page number 8. Page number 8. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. आपको दिख जाएगा ना पेज? आपको पेज दिख जाएगा?
नहीं, बुक दिखा रहे हो ग्रामर की.
हाँ तो ग्रामर की बुक है.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who's joined now only, beta? Yes. We'll be doing lesson 8. Today we'll be doing lesson 8. The lesson is Three Little Pigs. We are going to learn about the Three Little Pigs. We are going to learn this story today. Yes? All of you are ready? All of you are ready? Yes. First, close your notebooks. Close your readers. Keep it aside. Yes? Now you'll only listen to the story. What you'll do? You'll only listen to the story. Right?
Good morning.
Yes? Once I start sharing the screen. Good morning, Amritoshmi. Once I start sharing the screen, only Shravasthi's mummy is with you? Yes. Once I share the screen, Shravasthi's mummy, You please tell me whether it is visible or not. Yes, Shravasthi's mummy, can you see?
Yes, ma'am, is visible.
Okay, okay, thank you. Yes, today's story is Three Little Pigs. We are going to learn about these three little pigs. These three little pigs, they were friends. They were friends, yes. And their name, one pig's name is Sonu, one pig's name is Monu, and the third pig's name is...
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है? Okay, 1 second. Yes, now you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, beta. Yes, these are the three little pigs. One pig's name was Sonu. Who was Sonu now? The pig with the yellow and green dress. आपको दिख रहा है? Yellow and green dress. This pig's name was Sonu. This pig's name was Sonu. Yes? Then you can see another pig. He's wearing a red shirt and blue pant. This pig's name is Monu. What is this pig's name? Monu. And you can see another pig with a white cap and blue and white dress. He is Gonu. These three friends, what did they do? What did they do? इन्होंने क्या किया? इन्होंने सोचा, we'll make a house for ourselves. हम अपने लिए we'll make one house. एक एक घर बनाएंगे. They three decided. इन तीनों ने decide किया कि we'll make a house. We'll make a house for us to live. हमें रहने के लिए घर चाहिए. We also live in our houses, no? So they also thought. The first pig was Sonu. What did Sonu do? Sonu built his house with straws. Sonu ने अपना घर किससे बनाया? Straws से बनाया अपने घर. बहुत सुंदर घर बनाया और इतने सारे straw. You know what is straw? Straw is dry grass, बेटा. Dry grass के तरह रहता है, सूखा grass के तरह रहता है, long. That is called straw. Okay? आपका वो जूस पीने वाला straw नहीं. Okay? This is straw. Yes? The first pig, Sonu, he built the house with straw. I will ask you questions, so listen to the story. Okay? I'll be asking you questions. The first pig built his house with straw. Very beautiful house he built. Now let us come to the second friend. The second friend was Monu. What did Monu think? Monu thought, so beautiful house Sonu has built. I'll build my house with sticks. So what did Monu do? Monu collected so many sticks. You can see in Monu's hand there are so many sticks. And he built his house with the sticks. Okay? See how beautiful house Monu had built. Now let us come to the third friend, Gonu. Gonu was very intelligent among the three. What did he do? He built his house with bricks. Bricks, E से eat होता है ना बेटा? Bricks, those are bricks. Bricks and cement. जिससे हमारा घर भी बना हुआ है. हम जिस घर में रहते हैं, that is also made of cement and bricks. Yes? So Gonu built his house with bricks. Yes? Parents, please don't unmute your device. Please don't disturb the class. Yes. Then you can see the next picture. Who came? This is Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf, he came one day. He was a very, very bad wolf. बहुत bad wolf है. वो दिखाई दे रहा है ना? See what he is doing. He is blowing the hut. वो huts को blow कर रहा है. उफ. उसने पहले सोनू के घर पे गया. He went to Sonu's house. And what did he tell? I will hoof and puff your house. This was what the wolf told to Sonu. Sonu got scared and he ran into his house. और घर में छिप गया. और फिर wolf, what did the wolf do? Wolf blowed so heavily. So it was the house made of straw. घास तो उड़ जाता है बेटा. It was made of straw. So the house flew. House पूरा flew हो गया. और Sonu ran to Monu's house. Where did Sonu run? Sonu ran into Monu's house. And they hid in Monu's house. Monu's house में छुप गए वो. Again the fox came to whose house? Now the fox came to Monu's house. And he said, I will oof and puff your house. And he blowed, oof, puff करते गया. And what? थोड़ी देर तो वो नहीं उड़ा, पर थोड़ी देर में what happened? The stick house also flew. Stick वाला house भी उड़ गया. Then what did Monu and Sonu do? Monu and Sonu ran to Gonu's house. They ran to Gonu's house. Now Gonu's house was made with bricks and cement. The wolf came to Gonu's house and said, I will blow your home. And he started, oof, puff, oof, puff. But that house did not break and did not fly at all. He was tired. He was very tired. Blow karte gaya wolf. The wolf was blowing, but nothing happened to the house. Uch house ko kuch bhi nahi hua. Nothing happened because it was made up of bricks and cement. Yes, so nothing happened. What happened? The wolf became very tired. Thak gaya wo wolf. He said, I am going now. Wo thak gaya. And he went away. Then Monu, Sonu and Gonu lived happily in the brick house. They lived happily in the brick house. Yes? Now let us see again from starting once again. First it is three friends. Three friends decided to build a house. First, Sonu. Sonu built his house with straws. Then Monu. Monu built his house with sticks. Then third was Gonu. Gonu used cement and bricks to build his house. He built his house with bricks. Then one day one wolf came and it blowed Sonu's house. Sonu's house flew away. He blowed Monu's house. Monu's house flew away. He blowed Gonu's house. Gonu's house did not fly because it was made with bricks. He became tired and he went away. Yes. Then Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily in the brick house. Yes, children? Did you enjoy the story? Yes or no? Yes. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now mute your device. I will ask questions and who will answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now don't. जिसका नाम मैं बुलाऊंगी बेटा वो ही अपना डिवाइस अनम्यूट करके मुझे आंसर बताएगा. Yes. First, Anwar. Tell me the name of the first friend, beta.
Sonu.
Sonu, very good. Next, Arush, unmute your device. Tell me the name of the second friend. Arush, tell me the name of the second friend.
Monu.
Very good, Arush. Very good. Kastur, unmute your device.
मैडम आपसे
Yes.
पूछ रही हूँ कुछ.
Tell me the name of the third pig.
Gonu.
Gonu. Very good. Very good. Kirti. Kirti. How many pigs were there, Kirti? कितने pigs थे?
3.
3. Very good. Very good. Shravasti.
Yes, ma'am.
First pig ने अपना घर किससे बनाया? With which did the first pig build the house? First pig. Straw. Very good. Vaishnavi. Yes, Vaishnavi. The second pig, Monu. Monu built his house with?
Stick.
Very good, Vaishnavi. Megan. Yes. The third pig built the house with?
Bricks and
Bricks and cement. Okay, very good. Yes. Amritoshmi.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who came one day? Who came one day? कौन आया था उनके घर पे एक दिन?
जोर से बोलो.
Fox.
Fox no, wolf. Wolf आया था बेटा. Okay, wolf आया था. Who came? Wolf. Very good. Very good. Yes. What did the wolf do, Myra? Myra.
क्या किया wolf ने?
Wolf ने क्या किया बेटा?
Rough lion.
हाँ, blow किया. He blowed. Very good. Prince. Prince.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First he blowed whose house? सबसे पहले किसका घर ब्लो किया वुल्फ ने?
Sono.
Sonu's. Very good. Anika. Anika, unmute your device, beta. Yes, beta. Second, whose house did the fox blow? Second किसका घर ब्लो किया था फॉक्स ने?
Mono.
Mono. Very good. Hemaksh, unmute your device. Hemaksh, the wolf was good or bad? The wolf was good or bad? Good wolf था या bad wolf था?
Bad.
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 Very good. The wolf was bad. Very good. Yes. Shreyansh? Yes. गोनू का घर. Did Gonu's house fly? उड़ गया क्या गोनू का घर?
Yes.
Yes. गोनू का घर उड़ा था. गोनू का घर उड़ा था. Yes or no?
No.
No. Gonu's house did not
No.
fly. Yes. Sanvi, unmute your device, Sanvi, first. Yes. Yes, beta. Sonu's house, did it fly? उड़ गया था? When the fox flew Sonu's house flew or no?
उड़िया तक नहीं उड़ा था. सोनू का हाथ.
मैडम, आप नहीं दिख रहे हो.
हाँ.
थोड़ा बैठ जाओ.
हाँ, तो सोनू का घर उड़ गया था या नहीं उड़ा था?
हाँ.
Ah, yes. Okay, very good. Now, all of you mute your device. Now listen now, carefully. You know why सोनू का घर and मोनू का घर, आपको पता है क्यों उड़ गया? Because straws are very light. Straw और sticks बहुत लाइट होते हैं बेटा. लाइट का मतलब है हल्का होता है. It is not very weight. ज्यादा वेट का नहीं है, इसलिए ब्लो करते ही उड़ गया. पर हेवी चीजें नहीं उड़ती है. नाउ दिस इज अ बुक. दिस इज अ बुक. यस यस, दिस इज योर बुक. मैडम ने एक हाथ में बुक पकड़ा. फ्लाई हो रहा है मैडम के हाथ से बुक? हो रहा है फ्लाई? नहीं, क्योंकि ये हेवी है. ये बुक हेवी है. पर ये देखो, इस हाथ में मैडम के पेपर है. उड़ गया? उड़ा या नहीं उड़ा? ये देखो.
No.
सी, दिस इज पेपर. सी, उड़ गया पेपर? यस, बिकॉज पेपर वॉज लाइट. पेपर लाइट है और ये बुक हेवी है. तो स्ट्रॉ वाला घर, द हाउस मेड ऑफ स्ट्रॉ, द हाउस मेड ऑफ स्ट्रॉ एंड द हाउस मेड ऑफ स्टिक्स were very light. वो बहुत लाइट था, बहुत हल्का था, इसीलिए उड़ गया. But the house which was built with bricks are stones. E से ईट होता है ना, रेड कलर, ऐसे कलर में होता है ईट. You can see the color here. मैडम का जो कर्टन है ना, this color, ईट, bricks उस कलर में होते हैं. You make your home with bricks, तो वो कभी नहीं उड़ेगा. It won't fly because bricks are strong. Bricks are strong. Yes, bricks are very strong. So if you blow, ऐसे करोगे तो हाउसेस नहीं उड़ते. अगर हमारा हाउस भी अगर स्ट्रॉ और स्टिक से बना होता है बेटा, कल इतनी बारिश आई थी, है ना, तो हमारा घर भी उड़ जाता. पर हमारा घर उड़ा नहीं. उड़ा हमारे घर? Did our house fly? No. Why it did not fly? Because our houses are built with bricks and cement. हमारा घर भी bricks and cement से बना है, इसीलिए हमारा घर भी नहीं उड़ा है. Okay? All of you, did you understand the story or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you understood the story. So, today,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Did you like it? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. For today's homework,